Imagine a world where luxury meets cutting-edge technology, and stability isn't just a promise, it's a demonstration. Enter the Neo ET9, a full-size electric sedan that isn't just aiming to compete with luxury icons like the Mercedes Maybach S-Class and the BMW M Series. It's aiming to surpass them, and if the tests are any indication, it's already winning. At the heart of the ET9's technological brilliance is its revolutionary Skyride fully active suspension system. This isn't your average suspension, it's an engineering marvel. Equipped with 4 independent hydraulic actuators, the Skyride system allows each wheel to adapt in real time, delivering micro-adjustments at an astonishing rate of 1,000 times per second. That's the kind of precision typically reserved for fighter jets, not luxury sedans. Step inside, and the luxury continues. The cabin is a masterpiece of modern design, featuring expansive touchscreens, plush materials, and customizable ambient lighting. It's not just a car, it's an experience, a mobile lounge designed for ultimate comfort and convenience. The ET9's interior also boasts ergonomic seating with massage and ventilation functions, ensuring every drive feels like a first-class journey. Rear passengers enjoy executive-style reclining seats with built-in entertainment screens and wireless charging pads. The panoramic glass roof floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the sense of space and elegance. But the ET9 doesn't stop at suspension brilliance. It's packed with standout features that redefine what a luxury electric sedan can be. Let's start with its 900V electrical architecture, cutting-edge tech that allows faster charging and improved energy efficiency. Paired with a dual-motor all-wheel drive system pushing 697 horsepower, the ET9 offers both exhilarating performance and practical range, boasting up to 650 kilometers on a single charge. Then there's the steering. The ET9 is the first mass-produced car in China to feature steer-by-wire technology. No physical connection between the steering wheel and the tires, just seamless electronic precision. This technology filters out road vibrations, improves handling, and paves the way for advanced autonomous driving in the future. Step inside, and the luxury continues. The cabin is a masterpiece of modern design, featuring expansive touchscreens, plush materials, and customizable ambient lighting. It's not just a car, it's an experience, a mobile lounge designed for ultimate comfort and convenience. And let's not forget the intelligent features. From voice-activated controls to advanced driver assistance systems, the ET9 feels like a glimpse into the future. It even has smart systems to handle everyday nuisances, like shaking off snow and ice from its exterior without any human effort. In a world where luxury cars often blend together, the Neo ET9 stands out as a symbol